Big whale coming for Shiba. The price is jumping down. So where the price will go? So before we gonna go to the $1, there is a main question that will be answered right now. Where the price will reverse, literally, where the big whale will buy a big amount of Shiba. This world price will jump from 40 to 30 in this price technical area. That's what we're gonna talk about right now. Look what's going on to Shiba. The moment that we break from this triangle, hopefully you saw the video because we talked about Shiba every time and we warned you around this area. The moment that the price broke this level around the 0.4038, the price dropped down. Right now we have a lot of shorting position happening again for Shiba, and right now I'm gonna be extra careful because you know what's gonna happen. The price should gravitate toward another support. So what we're gonna do right now, the price right now, a lot of short position have been opened around this technical area. Okay, so this is the resistance, the 0.4033. We talked about it before. Right now, the support turned into resistance, and a lot of people just short here. Not just people, a lot of whales shorted here. Okay, so here the squeeze price to have the price go up. However, right now we have confirmation for dip. Where the dip will go? Yes, the price will go again here to do double bottom. So be careful here where we're gonna see a big buying pressure happening again around the 27 and again around the 21. This is where we're gonna see a massive buying pressure, a genuine buying pressure for Shiba. I already did a buy limit order for Shiba right now on Bitgate, and as I said, Bitgate is really fast. If you want to use my link to get the $650 as well, use the Bitgate because it's really good. And regarding like when there's a big market going down or up, your position will be triggered really fast. It's even better than Binance. I tried both. Bitgate is better and fast engine. So as I said, for Bitgate, I put buy limit order. Always I put buy limit order, not market order. Okay, the difference is the market order you pay a bit of fees, and at the same time when you buy, you're not buying, you will get whatever price the market will give you. However, buy limit order is best when the price dip like this wick. You can see it here. This will be a perfect if you put buy limit order. Okay, this is perfect for buy limit order to take the perfect dip. But if you make market order, the price will be triggered here, not around the dip here. A lot of people or new trader never knew that. So I'm just telling you what I'm doing so you could make double the profit. Okay, if you make a profit, I make a profit. Okay, so this is how the psychology of the market. Don't put market order, but buy limit order around this area where I'm gonna hunt for the price. As I said, the 0.4033 is right now is the resistance, which is we broke it right now. So be careful from Shiba. Before we gonna go in the $1, of course we have to charge up. Okay, even if for the rocket to go to the moon, before it go to the moon, we have to charge it up before we actually go anywhere. As I said, if you want to use my trading trading view as I use it here, because even I put I have a lot of brokerage account with Bitgate and with a lot of Binance. I use usually trading view chart because it's more dynamic and you can actually use many for a chart at the same time. So if you want to use a lot of indicators and you can split screen to mini chart, you can get the 50% discount. Almost 60 days will be off, and you can use it with my link in the comment section below and hunting with me in this year. As I said, new chart and new psychology and let's get ready to hunt for Shiba for the price for this year. Maybe we're gonna go $1. A lot of people said it's too far away. However, we already managed to do almost 3,000% or 4,000% for Shiba, so everything is possible. However, we have to load up before we go these prices. Okay, this is kind of the plausible or the more realistic technical prices. We have to revise those support level where the big whale they will buy. Then we're gonna see a genuine prime pressure, not from the retail trader, because retail trader just buy 1,000, 2,000, 100,000. We focus on the whale when they buy 100 million, 100 billion. This is where the Shiba price will jump really high. So without further ado, comment section below if you think Shiba will go to the $1 for this year or not. Just comment anyway. See you in the next update.